Nyla. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be decluttering my bathroom as well as talking about the wellness involved around decluttering the bathroom and the bathroom in general. So first things first, I do want to talk about how I do use my bathroom and what my bathroom is designated for. It is a small space, so I don't have a lot of room in here, but I do typically have a lot of activities going on in this area. So it is a small space, and basically I have obviously the shower here, which I can see is falling down behind me. Don't worry about all that. We're gonna fix that eventually. Anyway, I use the space for a shower. I also use it for my morning routine as well as my night routine. The baby has a little tub that I have stored in here that I typically put in there, and I bathe her in that. Obviously the toilet's here. The cat's toilet is also here because their litter box is here. So basically it's my two cats, me, my baby, and my boyfriend all using the same one space, which you can see generally around me. So there's a lot of different activities that are going on here. So having a clean, decluttered bathroom really helps me because clutter-free bathroom really helps me because it helps me to go about my morning and my night routine a little bit more seamlessly. So having a clean, clutter-free bath really helps me, and it helps me by helping me to do my morning routine as well as my night routine. It's really important for me to have a space that's free of any type of obstacles, especially when it's so hard to begin with the baby in completing a morning routine or completing a night routine as it is. So I really want to make sure it's as seamless as possible. Also, the way that my bathroom typically works with the rest of my home, since it's one of the places where I am starting and ending my day, I really want to make sure that it is stress-free. The last thing that I want to do is start my day off stressful or end my day stressful. It's going to affect my day, or it's going to affect my sleep, besides the baby affecting my sleep, but that's a whole other story. Anyway, so the idea with a clean, clutter-free bathroom is to have less stress. So to talk about some of the senses that are involved with the bathroom. Number one that I always have to stress with literally any bathroom is smell. I cannot be comfortable in a stinky bathroom, especially if I'm coming here to say do one of my skincare routines, or to start my skincare routine is what I'm typically doing, and then I finish it up in the bathroom. Anyway, I hate being bombarded by awful smells. So that's one of the things that I can't stress enough about a bathroom, is to have it smell nice. For me anyway, personally, and I'm sure a lot of people feel that way. There's a lot of products out there to make your bathroom smell nice. So one of my number one things is smell. Number two would have to be, yes, you agree. Number two would have to be sight. I need to have a bathroom that not only smells clean, but actually looks clean. Because you can have a really, really messy bathroom that smells amazing, and it still doesn't make you feel good. So that would be the second thing that I have to stress, would be for the bathroom to actually look very clean and very clutter-free. Third of all, I don't know. Anyway, number three. Number three, I would have to say is touch. Speaking of touch and somebody eating my hair, would you not eat hair? That's not food. Right? No. Number three would have to be touch. much. So I definitely want to make sure that all of the products that I'm using on a day-to-day basis or extremely frequently are literally right there within arm's reach and are easy to access. You know, it's not sitting behind things or I'm not pushing things out of the way to get to it. I really want to make sure I have a clean, organized system for how I can access my things. So some of the challenges with actually having a small bathroom is clutter typically collects like crazy. And honestly, that's with any small space. I know that when I do declutter this bathroom, I'm really going to have to break it down to the bare minimums because rude. Three, four, shut the door. So creepy, and I'm in the bathroom. Don't say that in the bathroom, it's scary. But that's literally the only thing I could think of when she was doing that. Pick up sticks. I'm terrified. Suddenly, lay them straight. I'm not gonna say the last part. It's not like Bloody Mary. Okay, we're not going there. Oh my god, I'm gonna have nightmares tonight. Sayla, I know it's important for you to learn, but mommy needs to finish her video and she's also scaring herself. Okay, back to what I was saying. Sayla. Say what, mommy? I'm learning right now. So, one of the challenges, that's right, I was talking about the challenges of a small bathroom. One of the challenges of a small bathroom is clutter collecting very, very easily. If there's one thing that will throw me off of my routines, it's not being able to easily access my routines. With that being said, I definitely want to break things down to the bare minimum. I really want to make sure that the items that I keep in here are pretty much essential for the bathroom. I don't want to keep anything extra in here because, yeah, like I mentioned before, it's already a struggle to keep up with my routines. So similar to the rest of the house, I really do want to make sure that I have systems set in place that are working for me instead of me working for those systems. That's going to be important. That's right. Let me see the Tuki again. Mommy likes to look at it. I'm thinking that this is going to be like a 3-part series. So number 1, I definitely want to make sure my space is properly decluttered. Number 2, I want to get a really good deep clean going on here because it hasn't been deep cleaned in a while. Plus the bathroom is always heavily used, just like the kitchen. And I want to make sure that it smells good and the good smell lasts. And then third, I want to do a little design revamp and restyle it and make sure that it looks pleasing to my eye. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get started on cleaning things out. I love you. You're tired. Let me know. You have dinner, then you go to sleep, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started and start cleaning things out. Here we go.
squash was on the route for stress relief. I haven't been able to take this. I actually brought this for Chris, but because I'm breastfeeding, I didn't want to add in anything extra, but I heard this is really good. Zero out of 10, I do not recommend.